Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly US dollar yen, I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't think the wave 5 is over. I actually believe the wave 5 has quite a bit of upside potential, especially when we start looking at all yen pairs. I think that all the yen pairs do have quite a bit more upside potential. I think this is a wave 5, but I do not think the wave 5 is over yet. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe this is a wave 3. I believe this is an ABC of 4 with a higher low for the wave C. That means that this would be a 1, 2, 3. And if this is a 1, 2, 3, a wave 3 should be at least as big as the wave 1, if not actually quite a bit bigger, which is why I think there's a very good likelihood that this will keep on trending up. Most likely still part of a wave 3 of this big wave 5 uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I am looking at this move down as a correction for sure. I am looking for the end of a correction. It'd be nice to see it like a nice breakout and then retest. And if it does do something like that, then that retest would be a very, very nice opportunity to go long. I believe that this is a 1. I believe this is an ABC of 2. And I believe we're in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, it is way too small to be a complete wave 3, which is why I do believe that this will continue to trend up and make higher highs and higher lows on like the weekly to daily time frame. So taking it right down to the 4-hour time frame, I am definitely looking at this move as a correction. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly a wave A. I think this move up right here is possibly a wave B. We could already be in that wave C. I'm not really convinced that it's over, especially looking at the JPY basket. I think there is probably another push to the downside, probably something like that, before we actually do get to push up. Hopefully what happens is we get a break of structure, which for me would definitely be an entry to go long. Then if it breaks out of this trend line or correction line and comes back and retests it, then that would be another entry to go long, and then we can really build a position to the long side for the continuation of what I believe to be a wave 3 of wave 5 on the higher time frames. So taking it right down to the 1-hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I don't really think that this is over. I think this is going up pretty strong, mostly because the dollar is trying to go up today, but I think this is going to make some sort of a corrective pattern. I think eventually it's going to go down again. So for me, I'm still looking at this move up as a correction to the downtrend. So you could definitely continue to look for shorts on, the sort of time frames, at least until we get some sort of a break of structure on the 4-hour time frame. If we get a break of structure on the 4-hour time frame to the upside, then I would exit any of my shorts and I would definitely go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.